my new skill of piloting drones, a whole new world of perspective has opened up to me. Capturing subjects from above allows me to cover scenarios I could never achieve from the ground. Lapland, with its spread out wide landscape, is a paradise for this kind of aerial photography. The snow makes the trees pop, and playing with the shadows enhances the dramatic scale of the forest, transforming it into a unique geometric masterpiece. Flying a drone is an absolute blast. It's like having your own mini spaceship that lets you skyrocket. Whether you're snapping epic aerial photos, zipping through obstacle courses, or just soaking in the bird's eye view, drones take fun to new heights. I can explore beyond the visible, launching the drone into the sky, scanning the landscape for hidden gems. Each flight is an adventure, with the promise of discovering and capturing scenes I never imagined. On this particular adventure, I was heading towards a planned location, guided by the path of two snowmobiles, when an entire field of beautiful, weathered fences emerged out of nowhere. It was a stunning discovery, a photographer's gold mine. I jumped out of the car, head pounding with excitement, and spent the next hour meticulously photographing each fence under a sky correctly masked by these thin clouds diffusing the light perfectly. excited to share many more tips and tricks in the coming videos to help you achieve minimalism in your photography, no matter where your travels take you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, or throw any questions my way. And if you're feeling adventurous, hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps me keep the content coming. Thanks for watching till the end, and I can't wait to bring you the next video.